Are you looking for professional training in forensic mental health?
My name is Bill Foote. I'm a forensic psychologist. I've been a forensic psychologist since 1979, which means I'm an ancient dinosaur in this business. My areas of expertise and interest are split between criminal cases, primarily competency and some sanity and sentencing, and in personal injury cases and civil rights cases, looking at evaluations and work with people who are plaintiffs in those kinds of cases. But there are different kinds of tort. There are intentional torts, defamation, privacy torts, liability, employment-related torts, and negligence. Basically, intentional torts are one that has several elements. First, you have to have a volitional act. There has to be some specific goal that is being pursued, and with the certainty of the consequences. Then there has to be a causal connection between those events and the injuries the person sustained. Basically, any evaluation model should kind of help you get data and integrate the data from disparate sources. It should help you permit for an individualized approach to the case, so that when you go look at the case, you're going to be able to look at each individual by themselves. Basically, what we're going to talk about is a diagnosis, the history and current status, circumstances producing PTSD, and then the factors that determine the severity of the disorder. This is an important piece that we talked about comorbidity yesterday. So again, my warning to you yesterday was, just because you find one diagnosis and the PTSD is going to leap out at you and hit you on the nose, don't stop there. You look for other comorbid conditions. If we talk about the factors associated with sexual harassment, we have three groups of people here. We have three variables: the offender, the target victim, the situation and context. And why are these important? Because basically most sexual harassment cases are he said, she said. It basically leaves us in a position to try to determine how this happened and to understand the dynamic of the situation. Okay, so let's then apply this 5-stage model to these kinds of cases. We have to again determine the stage 1 status of the individual, the day before analysis. Again, looking in this case at the pre-discrimination work history.
To learn more about Concept's professional training opportunities, visit us at concept-ce.com.